Alright, so check this out. My mom just sent me some classic photos here, and I notice this a lot when people send photos from iPhones, but you'll notice in the top left corner of that top photo, this is a live photo. So like if I hold it, it moves, and there's actually audio, and sometimes it's funny when people send that, but a lot of people don't know how to disable that. So here's what you're gonna do. There's two places. So the first place in your camera, let's go ahead, there's my camera, and let's hit the button in the top right. I've got it turned off, but now it says live, so you can see, but you can turn it off there. Now, sometimes that resets, like every time, so if that's the case, every time you open your camera, it resets. Go to your settings and scroll down to camera, which, there you go. And then you're actually going to use this preserve settings underneath record stereo sound. And when you go in here, you want to make sure live photos is on, so it's going to preserve the setting that you turned it off each time. So there you go. Share this video.